Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a navy blue 2010 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ, stock number A6949. There are factory fog lights up front. You've got a beautiful chrome trim on the grille. The hood is in excellent shape. You do have an alloy rim. Taking a look at the tread, you've got
Best the tires here, and those are in great shape. Inside there is a power sunroof, and you have a black leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and then you've got seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Equinox. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust and a trailer hitch here. You've got backup sensors and a backup camera. There is a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it's very clean back here. The second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities here. There is a Pioneer premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and buttons here for memory seating. And then stepping inside on the left of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. Over on the right-hand side, you've got audio controls. Coming up to the rear view mirror, this is equipped with OnStar. You do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating, and you've also got vehicle information buttons here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 3-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 24 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Equinox or to schedule your test drive, you can visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.